Discover the secret power of debt, your guide to financial success. Imagine being able to turn what most people fear into your biggest asset. What if I told you that debt, yes, debt, could be your golden ticket to building unprecedented wealth? Stay tuned to unveil the secrets of mastering the art of debt to not just survive, but thrive financially. Hello, my brilliant friends. Today, we're on a mission to explore a mysterious land, the land of debt. But don't worry, it's not a scary trip. Together, we'll learn how to make debt our friend, whether you're saving your allowance or planning your retirement. This is your ticket to becoming a financial superhero, so let's get started. What is debt? Imagine you want a new bike, but don't have enough money. If someone lends you money to buy it, that's debt. But there are different kinds, like good debt. That's like borrowing money for something that can make more money over time. And then there's bad debt, which is like buying things that lose value quickly. We'll learn how to tell them apart, using debt to grow your money. Think of debt as a tool, like a shovel. You can use a shovel to plant a tiny seed that grows into a huge tree. In the same way, we can use debt to grow our money. We'll see how some people borrow money to start businesses or buy houses they can rent out. The risks of debt. But remember, using a shovel the wrong way can hurt your foot. Just like that, using debt the wrong way can hurt your wallet. We'll talk about how to use the debt shovel safely so you don't end up in a financial boo-boo. Success stories. Ever heard of people who started with a lemonade stand and ended up with a big business? Some of them used debt as their secret ingredient. We'll share fun stories about people who used debt wisely to build their dreams. Keeping debt under control. Imagine holding a bunch of balloons. If you grab too many, they might carry you away. We'll learn how to hold just the right amount of debt balloons so they lift you up instead of making you float away. Debt and taxes. Did you know that sometimes the government can give you a little thank you note in the form of tax breaks for using debt smartly? We'll explore how this can work in your favor, like finding coins in a secret treasure chest. Your personal debt plan. Everyone's adventure map is different. We'll talk about how to create your own debt plan, considering how much money you make, how much you already owe, and your financial goals. It's like making a personal treasure map. Smart debt tips. I'll give you the ultimate treasure map of do's and don'ts when it comes to managing your debt. These tips will help you pay off debts faster and smarter, like a financial ninja. Starting your debt journey. No money to start? No worries. We'll discuss how to begin your journey step by step, starting from zero, building your credit, and finding the right kind of debt for you. Avoiding debt traps. Just like in video games, there are traps in the debt world too. We'll learn how to spot them and how to steer clear so you can continue your journey safely. Learning more about debt. The journey doesn't end here. I'll share some cool books, websites, and tools where you can continue learning about debt and finance, turning you from a beginner to a debt master. All right, my fearless friends, remember, debt isn't a monster under the bed. With the right knowledge and tools, it can be your ladder to the stars. Let's use what we learned today to climb higher in our financial journeys. If you're ready to become a debt superhero, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Together, we'll conquer the world of finance.